It tasted like I never want to get it again. You see my mom and dad brought just for a little bit of that. Yo, princesa nga kako.
Ôi mới cá thôi ô mày
Ngon lúc sẽ lục.
nè
Ngon lúc.
sĩ con hai ấy.
Morning guys, it is Wednesday today, so 3 days into my leave. Laura's getting ready for work. But I want to show you something. She's been loving her phone lately, and I know we'll appreciate these memories one day. Phải đâu phút bạc? Phải mau đâu phút bạc?
Rồi sẽ màu ngã rồi cái
Big traffic. I'm about to get started on our breakfast. We just got home from dropping Laura to work, and today on the menu we are having porridge. I remember the last trip she had, she really loved porridge. So just making mum a hot chocolate, and I'm gonna have some caffeine, but this is the hot chocolate. I've never tried this one before. Maybe I should try it actually with her. I might do that. If I still feel like a caramel latte, then I will. But I'm gonna try the hot chocolate as well. I saved the last Tim Tam for her, and that was the first thing she went for.
này uống đó mẹ pha không nhà
Me à?
đặc biệt uống đó mẹ nhà mẹ giờ mẹ phải ông luôn mà phải về vô phụ đó sợ gì
Oh, me like cupu sabo.
mẹ vô đi xin mẹ lại phụ sa buồn lúc có cụ áo cô
Ever so nice. Leuka.
mà không biết
I know. The porridge is so nice.
ông gì số xin mẹ ai đặc quay ok đi phía ai vậy giờ ngợ mẹ đi ngợ đâu chi ấy mẹ các bạn ấy
Didi do cao ki se mea.
Cao cả chị ca mê đua ca
Tam moi.
mà cam muối
Akalo sie de kim.
ele ngau fa pe ngau ai la ma u duai que si mai me ngau ma u duai fi ai me yo si tui mai ve ai da như vậy mấy bộ má mẹ ra phụ ở đây sống cái gì lại muối tôi cũng mất cả aku ngah bây giờ api vợ phải
The Aero hot chocolate is actually pretty nice. But yeah, you guys, we're going to finish our breakfast and then I'm going to go get ready for the day. We're just about to head out and mum and dad showed up with more breakfast.
Healthy breakfast.
No, in my polis.
Ai là cô leo FIFA.
Mum and dad,
Hoe kan dat? Wat goed dit is. Ja.
Hey guys, we are about to go get somewhere. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to take her to the mall or to like a sightseeing place. It looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm thinking more towards the mall, but we'll see. Wherever the car takes us is where we're going.
Vậy lần phải mấy Siaosi vậy vậy.
The Gafu spout.
Vậy thôi. Vậy đây bộ đa bộ vài cái đường cái ô lê ô mà mẹ đi kia đường mẹ anh ai. Cái phải screen xuống mất mua. Em mà máu ý mẹ nó mua phơi rồi mẹ nó lén vậy người lén ăn vậy.
Le mà mau kia. Cái vậy là mẹ đang có coi vậy.
Dạ.
Bây giờ say nga lại ngó phơi say ngọ.
Vậy.
Low-key racist.
Ngani o sai ngai si.
Ese whenga e loa.
Oko. Mi o sai ngai ere ka ele. Vai a sangue o mga ai que fa mai. Mam e fufuru e a wipu. O verle e lo fanga vai. O ngai puai ai. O ngai puanga ka o furu. Ai awa le ko ku o mai e ko wipu. E fiu pala nge furu wipu ko ke na ka mai. E wala o kala ngai fa ai a.
Ma ero ka faunga.
Ma ai a.
Ai ki fia.
Ko fia o inga karo ka ki e o mai a fi ngalo le di o makua ia ai kalo ai le kua ia o fa popo mai ni Siaosi skele ai ala mo ka sa mo ka o mai
ai ki malosi
lo malosi ai va wale me o lo ki kilo mai o pa o le ai le ai lava le ai
ai ke leo ka sa mo e vai a kulo pai e mai se fa pe o mai
wa mai sa o le me se me o fa pe ai lo ki ho ke fa pe
we're here at the mountain now, guys. And the old lady's already been here. You guys would have seen on an old vlog. But we're here again. Mangkulang ka ko may bumoy. Yo, princess nga ka ko. This is Canberra's lookout up at Mount Ainslie. This used to be the place back in the days. O kalaanga o ir mele. Ya pusa wa kayo mga. Just showing Mum around here the lake. This is Canberra's lake. This is pretty. Maybe I'll take a photo. Buso akalalola awia. Maya. Vai Tala si vai for fer ada. Maya. Maya. Ya avelanga. Avenga. Just here in Target getting Mum some extra bits and pieces. And I actually just want to get her a lipstick because I seen she was wearing one before. So going to the beauty section, bought her some perfume already and glasses. Ave umanua. Pakai ka ia fo. Ko oi kongo ako. Ngau mau me ko kongo ako. Finished our shopping. Mum got a couple of things. We'll give you a haul later. But we're about to have our lunch. Mum's first time trying, well, not her first time, but really her second time trying Macca's since she was last here. Yeah, no GP there. Because I like to put them together. This is a hack, guys. I'm gonna show you. So I take the bottom off both of them and put them together, and then you have a small double cheeseburger meal. Let me get the tissues out. May low sauce nga din. Low sauce there. Ngalo se lok.
Nè.
Ngalo lok.
Chị con ngang ấy. Ngang cái lúc bộ. Cái đấy của mẹ ai ăn.
Mà you see your life á.
À. Aku qua mà uống rồi. Aku qua mà uống à?
Ai.
Quiero pescarme para
Wan ge ya so ayo ka.
là đi ăn đi cái hoa mà vậy cô số mà anh tôi sao ya cô mẹ ya
Mata ua malingi.
Guys, good morning. Just making me and Mum some brunch. We had noodles for breakfast because I had to duck out somewhere. But we're home now. We've been home. I had to pit stop to Coles and get a few groceries like milk and stuff. But just making us some bacon and eggs. I was contemplating making porridge again because she really did enjoy it. But I was thinking we probably need to have some like live food. If you know what I mean, like a live food is something that came from something or came from the ground. So also cut up the leftover essie my mum and dad brought, and strawberries, blueberries. I also got some yogurt for her to try. So I think she'll really like this. I'm going to give her the peach and mango one.
Ah.
Oh.
Amen. Amen. Ai kidding me mom ya ai ah.
Yeah. Con chị nghe biết mấy đâu cam mà. Con chị nghe biết mấy đâu cam mà.
Cam đi ngay à. À có cái ni sudah có đâu.
Just preparing dinner, guys. It's still the same day. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. What the freak? I may be looking my best lately, but that's alright. Just ignore it. I'm preparing dinner. So we've got chicken on the menu tonight. So we've got an iceberg lettuce here. Got some veggies cooking, and chicken is in the oven, so I'll show you guys in a second. Just for a little bit of color. Then we got our salad and cucumber. Veggies steaming over here. Finally having dinner now, guys. Mom's enjoying herself. Ma'am, bak mo so wala. Morning, guys. We got home from walking Seloa not long ago. We've just been chilling. It feels like it's much later in the day because we woke up at like 6 and then we went for a walk. We've been out walking, went on like a 5k walk, and I'm so shocked that she is strong enough. But I keep trying to tell her let's relax, but she just wants to go. Yeah, I have the blower on the other side, but it doesn't reach here, so blew all the leaves on the other side, and then just finishing that little part off there. She doesn't want to. She said don't treat her like an old lady. But I'm like, excuse me, madam, you are an old lady. Kalofai. So we're here, we ended up here just in the heart of the city. So dark.
Yeah. Welcome, guys.
Wait, you guys are so dark. Oh, there we go.
Welcome, guys. It's Friday night, and we just come to suss it out everywhere here. And take the lady to look around, enjoy the beautiful scenery of Canberra. So, yeah, you see there, water coming out like a flower. We'll go inside and we'll see you guys in the next few hours.
In the next few hours? Huh?
Come
on. Em mua phụ sa mua mê à. How's your day today, Laura?
Good.
Oh, we're done with those one-word answers. Come on.
Yeah, I worked today.
Yeah?
Pretty busy. I finished early though, so it's good.
That was good.
It's good.
So I just got myself hanaichi, and actually the last 2 times that I've come, they've always had like an issue, and I haven't been able to get it, but we prevailed this time. They did tell me they couldn't because FPOS was down, but I was ready to pay ID, so that's what we did. So what are you going to get, Subway?
No, she got no food.
She likes fish.
Fish and chips? She wants fish and chips. I knew she liked fish and chips.
No, I like it.
Mum really felt like fish and chips, so we've walked all the way up here. I got my hanaichi, my Japanesey. Laura felt like Korean chicken, but I don't know if there is a Korean chicken place here. So I got my Karud. Yay! Look at this hanai chicken. That's some good stuff. Udon soup. You guys have the first sip. Wow. Just wow. Milo we are. Ma'am, Milo we are. Look how good that soup is. Yum. I'm probably not going to finish both of these, but I need to make sure I finish this one at least. And most of the curry for this.
Mommy.
Okay. Hanaichi chicken. Katsu chicken hanaichi. I got a bone to pick with you. That's my first time I tried you guys in so long, and tell me why it didn't taste like that. It tasted like I never want to get it again. And the beef udon soup. Okay, the beef soup was nice. But why are the beef pieces so friggin' big? Let me not complain. I am grateful for the food that I had tonight.
No one's saying.
3. I know. This is so funny. Say beam out. Guys, look at these. Yeah, they say they're tulips, but these ain't tulips. These are petunias. Come on now. Get it right. So we're just going for a night stroll. We heard some motion going on this side, so I want to come and check it out, but it looks pretty dry.
Temple Feeder Center.
Theatre center.